In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off autocomplete in Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever filled out a PDF form and seen previous entries pop up as suggestions, that's autocomplete at work. It can save time, but if you're working on shared devices or you want a cleaner, distraction-free form-filling experience, turning it off is a smart move. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can change the setting with confidence. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your computer. Make sure you're in Acrobat, not a web viewer or another PDF app. Once it's open, we'll head straight to the Settings panel where all the form-related controls live. On Windows, go to the top menu and click Edit, then choose Preferences. On macOS, click the Acrobat menu in the top left of your screen, next to the Apple icon, and select Preferences. Both paths bring you to the same Preferences window, so use whichever matches your system. In the Preferences window, you'll see a list of categories on the left. Scroll through and click Forms. This section controls how Acrobat behaves when you interact with form fields, including the autocomplete feature that remembers what you've typed and offers it back in future fields. On the right side, look for the autocomplete area. You'll see a drop-down menu that determines how suggestions appear. Go ahead and open that drop-down and choose Off. This tells Acrobat to stop suggesting or autofilling values you've typed in previous forms. It's a simple change, but it has a big impact on privacy and consistency, especially if you frequently handle sensitive documents or share your workstation. After making that selection, don't forget to apply it. Click OK at the bottom of the Preferences window to save your settings and close the panel. If you close the window without clicking OK, Acrobat won't remember the change, so that final click is important. From now on, when you type into form fields, Acrobat won't offer past entries as suggestions. If you ever decide you want those time-saving prompts back, you can return to the same Forms section and choose a different option from the autocomplete drop-down. That's all there is to it. You've successfully turned off autocomplete in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, improving privacy and giving you more control over how forms behave. If this helped, consider applying the same setting on any other machines you use so your experience is consistent everywhere. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.